Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you a tutorial solve and reset of this little mini puzzle box. Let's get into the tutorial. Firstly, we'll start here. Start placing these on. So 1x1 brick, 1x2 plate. Another 1x1 brick, 1x4 tile, 1x2 brick, 1x2 tile, 1x1 tile, 1x1 plate, and a 1x2 tile. Next, we'll get up here. This 1x1 plate, 1x2 tile, 1x1 tile, 1x1 plate, another 1x1 plate, another 1x1 plate, and a 1x1 tile. Next, we'll go here, 1x1 brick, 1x1 tile, and then before we put this on, we'll make these two moving pieces. So for this little moving piece, we'll just stack them all, 1x1, 1x2 black tile, 1x3 tile. Just hang off loose. That should just go in right there. Next we'll start up here. Stack these on top of each other. And put this 1x4 tile on top. Connect them. And this 1x1 tile. This should just go right here. Then you can put this 1x3 brick on. Next we'll make the last two moving parts of the puzzle. Start off here, 1x1 plate. And then put this 1x2 plate on. This 1x3 plate. Next, get this 2x4 plate. Put it in. This one there. Put this 1x1 tile here. This should just go right. Next, we'll start here. Put this 1x1 tile and this 1x1 plate. We'll start stacking on top. 1x1, 1x4 tile. Take these two 1x1s. 1x1 tile out here. Corner tile. Like them. And then a money piece. Could be a phone, anything. Oh, don't forget these. It's 1x1 plate. Just going this corner. And this 1x1 dot piece makes it move smoother. Can be a 1x1 plate if you want it, but might be a bit, janky. Then next we'll place these on top of here. 1x4 tile, a dot in the middle thingy, 1x2 tile, and a 2x4 tile. And you can put this all on top. It should be facing this way. This way, yeah. Dot should be facing that way, that corner. And then this will be your tool that just goes on top here. And there you go, that's your tutorial. Yeah, it's got quite a few moving parts, it's pretty cool. Very compact, a bit wriggly, flexible, but that's what you get for a mini little puzzle box. There you go. Pause here if you want to solve it yourself. And we'll get into the solve and reset. So for the solve, just get you this 1x4 tile. You can press it into here this releases these two. You still can't move the second piece until you push this one piece back. Then you can press this forward. This allows this big piece to go in, releasing that. That means you can press all of this forward, releasing the money piece, the treasure. There you have it. And for the reset, it's really easy. Just push everything back and backwards order. There you go. There you have it. Like and subscribe. See you later.